Hi, in this video I'm gonna talk about creating some features for a sample. This is sample 1 of 3. First of all, go to Start, All Programs, FeatureCAM, and click it. Yes. Go to File, click New, and from there select Milling Setup and millimeter for unit of measure and initial stock dialog none. Okay, then go to File, Import, go to the directory of the file, tutorial, sample1, open, and from the imports result just click accept the imported data as it is, and then if the package supports launch after recognition, just deselect and click finish, right click, trackable. This is the imported file. Let's go to install the stock. Double click on the stock, and then the shape of the stock is round, diameter is 40, and out diameter length is 40, and out diameter is 80. So just apply and you can select the material from here. Okay, right now it's recommended for the circular or rounded shape that the coordination at the top center of the part. So right now it's not there. Just go to the user coordinate systems, just drag and translate the coordinates. We see that x and y from the center, but z it's not 0. Just enter 35, apply, OK, close. Right now it's from the center. Let's go to start creating features. Click on the new feature wizard. Let's start with the face feature. We want to remove just 1 millimeter from the top of this part. Next, the location of Z right now is 0. We need just to remove 1 millimeter, so the location should be -1. Preview, which is just front 1 millimeter. Preview. Next, the thickness is 1 millimeter. Yes. Click next, and we have these strategies from the PDF tutorial. All of the strategies have been explained. Just click next, and this is the tool number 1. It is face mill. Next, we can see this is the milling tool. It is the default tool, or you can choose another tool if it's available, but in the beaver it just we have tool number 1 is face milling. It is a diameter and cutter and expose it. Just click next, and here you can see the feed and speed options. This is 4500 revolution, and this is the millimeter per minute, the feed rate, and this is the column you see in the summary. Tool number 1 feed is 3429 millimeter per minute, and this is 4500 revolution per minute. Just go to finish and create more, and right now we start another feature. Click site, extract with feature recognition, click next, select site surfaces, next, we want to make this pocket. Click inside the pocket on the vertical side, add face 64, next. This is, you can see the machining side, it's to inside, so it's right. We won't just remove this part. You can reverse this side just by clicking on the switch machining side, scaling eye side, but we don't need this, so just click again to make it normal. Click next, and you can see already previously 1 millimeter has been removed from the top surface, so you can enter just -1. It's 1 millimeter, and the bottom is -10. Just click next, and for this feature we don't have trough angle, there's no chamfer, the depth is 9 millimeter, we don't have bottom radius. Click next. From the strategies, it's already have been chosen by the FeatureCAM. Click next, and there's another tool used that we don't have in FeatureCAM, so just click next. I want to search for another tool or make a new one. Next, we use tool number 2. Click next. Okay, and for the side finish, it's tool number 2 as well, because we have rough pass and finish pass. Click next, and here you go. Finish. Let's start another new feature, which is boss. Already has been chosen. Next, select side surfaces. Next, and this time just right click on this top and hide this one. Okay. We want to remove this part. Click on this, add, next. As we talked, just you can enter -1 or just click on the pick Z location, but just -1. Preview, yes, 4 millimeter. Next, the same thing. Next, and tool number 8, but we want that next. That's okay. Finish. Let's start again pose feature. Click extract with feature recognition. Click next again, and select side surface again. Next. This time select the side, add, next. This time we can pick Z location, just not just entering the value. Click the surface when it will be green, just click -5, and we want just remove 5 millimeters. So for the bottom here, anyway, here -10. Next, same thing. Next, I want to change the tool to tool number 2. Next, tool number 2 as well, and next, finish. Right now I wanted to create another side feature. Click next, extract with feature recognition. Next, this time I wanted to make chain feature curves. Click next, and switch to top view. Click. Right now I want to make to a closed profile here to cut and create this feature. Switch to top view. Click this one. No need to click on the control button, just click and follow until you create the closed profile. closed profile. Sometimes maybe when you click, maybe it selects this one as well, so just click back and select again. Next, this is the machining side to outside, we don't need to inside. Next, and right now we need to select the surfaces. The bottom surface is this surface, yes, and top is this one. Right now it's okay, so just click next. Same thing, depth is 5 millimeter. Next, and let's choose the tools again. We choose the tool number 2 because we don't have this type of tool. Just tool number 2 is available on the beaver. Click next, choose another tool for finish, which is tool number 2 again. Next, yes, this, okay. Let's go and start a new feature, which is the whole feature. Extract with feature recognition. Click next and extract, recognize, construct multiple holes. No, extract single hole. Next, let's choose this hole. Add, click next, and it's okay. We don't have chamfer. The depth is 5 millimeter. Diameter is 7. And for the location, if you see just from the top view, X is 0 and Y is 21 and the Z is -5. Click next. Drill only, it's preferred for the holes that less than 5 millimeter in diameter. Drill only, and spot drill is compulsory because it prevents the tool from sliding or breaking, but because we don't have actually, and it's tutorial, so just deselect spot and this one, click next, and this tool, let me change it to right tool, tool number 16, the beaver. Click next. This is the drill. Let's start another feature, which is hole again. Let's start, choose another one. Yes, next, add, next, same thing. Next, the location right now is different. It's -15, 32.5. Click next again. Next, change the tool to tool number 16. Click next, and let's start another feature, which is pattern. This feature you can use it from another feature, which is hole or anything. Just I wanted to choose hole number 1. Add, next, because it's tutorial, it depends on your pattern. I will choose radial. Click next. This is the space between them. I choose just 120, and the angle with the x-axis I will choose 90. Yes, and the diameter is 42. Preview, that's okay. Click next, and let's select the location. Z, as you know, it's -5. Right now it's okay. Click finish. and let's start another new feature, which is group. This make a number of features together. So click next, and pattern 1, add, hold 2, add, click next, and you can change the order of the group. That's alright, and don't click finish, just click on the reverse triangle and click finish. Right now we have all the features, and here it's automatic ordering. We need manual order. Okay, that's site 1. Both 2, we need like the order of these features. Site 1, both 1, you can drag and drop. This is rough pass, and both site 1, both 1, both 2, site 2, and the others. Let's simulate. Yes, let's simulate in 3D. Just click. This is the face feature. Okay, and you can see from the results there's all the features: finish, rough pass, and you can see the feed, the speed, depth, the tool that use it, type, and just you can remove the order just by drag and drop. Click this one, shows you features as well. So you can go and creating. Okay, and you can go to the details. It shows you the manufacturing operation sheet, the part, the date, the material, the stock, operations, the estimated work required, and everything. And from the tool list you can see the tool number, tool name, the material of the tool, these details. And third thing is the NC code. You can see the NC code here. You can edit or right click, paste, delete, find, replace, anything. Okay, it deserves to say that from the operation list we see the warning icon. When just past the mouse pointer it shows you, or just double click, it shows you what's the problem. It says that the tool diameter 14 is greater, so just neglect it. And for the saving your work, come to save and select the directory that you want. And for the NC code, just come to steps, and NC code, just click from the steps on the toolbox, save NC code in my computer disk, select the directory, and the directory, also the extension of the file, and then click OK. Thank you for watching, and bye.